Hundreds of thousands in Wisconsin have received at least the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine.
Yeah, but a lot of people are just confused about how to sign up to get the shot. CBS 58's Investigates is digging into the challenge facing our older population right now.
Wisconsin is one of the top states in the country in terms of the percent of people who've had at least one dose of the vaccine. But still, there aren't enough vaccines to go around, and some of the most vulnerable are having a hard time figuring out how to even sign up for an appointment. As the mass vaccination continues, so does the threat of COVID-19.
If he gets it, he's done. He won't survive it.
Beth Sommerfeld's husband is in his 70s and has several health conditions. Since he doesn't use the internet, Sommerfeld is trying to find a vaccine appointment for him.
It's been terrible. He's signed up at the Milwaukee VA. We've got him in Aurora, Prevea, Myers, and we get nothing.
Sommerfeld isn't alone. CBS 58 Investigates asked viewers if they're struggling. Hundreds commented on this post, saying they've signed up on numerous sites but can't get an appointment. Others are trying to register family members who, like Sommerfeld's husband, don't use the internet.
I don't know what people do that are on their own and don't have a computer, because it doesn't pay to call any place. We tried calling and we're told, don't call.
During a stop in Milwaukee this week, President Biden said he is concerned the vaccine rollout is primarily online.
A lot of people don't know how to register. Not everybody in the community, in the Hispanic and the African American community, particularly in rural areas that are distant and or inner city districts, know how to get online to determine how to get in line for that COVID vaccination.
Dr. Hashem Zabak is the CEO of Hyatt Pharmacy, which is providing the vaccine. He says a lot of people are confused about how to sign up.
This afternoon, we got somebody who was 99 years old. And we helped him register, and we showed him how to get vaccinated, and he got his shot today.
Hyatt Pharmacy set up a separate phone line for people who aren't able to go online.
We're hiring more people to answer the phone calls. We've purchased more phone sets, so we take care of them. We enter all of their information, and we register them for the vaccine.
But it isn't just signing up. Some people tell CBS 58 Investigates they're unable to get to a vaccination site.
It's extremely frustrating.
Lindsay Zeman is trying to get a shot for her elderly father.
I've called his primary doctor, who asked me to talk to his home health care team, and they're not giving out the shots.
Zeman says her dad is in a wheelchair and homebound. She can't afford an ambulance team to safely get him to a vaccine appointment.
I know there's like a couple elderly people on this block that have like the same issue. They have big oxygen tanks, or they just can't get out of the house.
Dr. Zabak says homebound people are going to be one of the biggest challenges in this process.
We don't really have the right answer yet. The challenge with the homebound is allergic reaction.
It is also difficult when it comes to keeping the vaccine cold enough. Sommerfeld, meanwhile, says she'll keep trying, but it feels like trying to win the lottery.
It's frustrating. The neighbors around here, the ones that are in their 70s, like he is, they're not getting it either. And it's frustrating because the next guy does. And we're like, well, what are we doing wrong?
The Wisconsin Department of Health Services declined to do an interview, but they said these are the places you should check if you need an appointment: your doctor, your local health department, your local pharmacy, or a community clinic. They said if you don't have the internet, you can try calling, but you're gonna have to be patient. You can also try calling that Hyatt Pharmacy line. That number is 414-483-0000. Reporting in Milwaukee, Kristen Barbarisi, CBS 58 Investigates.